Here's a certified 2016 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Muscular yet graceful, thrilling yet serene. This C-Class is the precise balance of all things Mercedes-Benz. And with features like these, every drive's a pleasure. Streaming audio, power heated mirrors, power tilting steering column, auto dimming rear view mirror, wireless phone connectivity, power telescoping steering column, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver remarks, consider the C-Class as all that Mercedes-Benz knows about full-size luxury distilled into a smaller package. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,